Hey people, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Biker Sanjeev, and a very good morning to all. So guys, today I am going to install hazard lights in my Royal Enfield. So today's video is all about that, and I'll tell you how you can install hazard lights in your bike and how much will it cost. So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. Enjoy watching. Bye. So guys, now I have reached over here and this is the shop, and my bike is standing over here as you can see. So they said that it will take around 10 to 15 minutes, and until then you enjoy time lapse. So guys, now I am back to my home, and now I'll show you how the hazard light looks after the installation. So guys, this is the pull switch which I have used for my hazard light. As you can see, there are some holes over here, and you can go for this switch also, because this is an advantage to you that your hazard light can be fitted on this rod, whereas there is another switch, the on and off switch. You have to place that switch on your handlebar over here. So maybe some of you don't like it, but I think that this is the best. It's your opinion which one you wanted to apply. So now I'll show you how it works. So guys, you have to just move it out, okay, and now you have to just start the ignition. And so guys, click your indicators towards the left or towards the right. Now I'll show you. Wow! And now if you wanted to stop this, you have to press the middle button and this will be stopped. And then you have to press this button inside and the normal indicators will work now. So guys, that's it for the day, and I hope you like this video. If you really do like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you wanted to follow me on the Instagram, my Instagram ID is floating right below the screen as you can see. And if you have any query related to any of the bike, then do DM me on the Instagram. I will help you out. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and to see my last video, click over here. So thank you very much, have a good day, ride safe, and always wear a helmet.